Hello and welcome. The given problem discusses the concept of the maxima. The problem is the publisher entertainment arbitrator sells the popular video game Sprockets of Peace. When each copy of the game is priced at $40, the weekly demand is 8,000 copies. And for every $1 increase in price, the number sold per week decreases by 50. Assume that it costs $20 to produce each copy of the game. How many copies of the game should entertainment arbitrator produce to maximize the profit? The demand function is linear. So here we consider the demand as Q copies and price at that time is P. Now the demand function between Q and P is linear. So we assume it to be Q minus say 8,000 equals to the slope, which is M into P minus 40. So this M is nothing but a slope which is given by this statement here. For every $1 increase in price, the number sold per week decreases by 50. So for that, we can write M as the minus 50 divided by 1. Minus 50 is the change in the demand Q and 1 is the change in price. So to complete the function between Q and P, we write Q minus 8,000 equals minus 50 into P minus 40. Now we are interested in finding P in terms of Q. So to complete that, we do Q divided by minus 50 plus 160 equals P minus 40. Therefore, shifting 40 on the left hand side, we get minus Q by 50 plus 200 giving P. So this is the function between P and Q. Now we have to maximize the profit, and profit is given by the revenue minus the cost. Revenue is nothing but the price multiplied by the demand, or P multiplied by Q, and minus cost is given by this statement over here. It costs $20 to produce each copy of the game, so cost is 20 multiplied by Q. Now what we are going to do is we are going to replace P by this very function over here. So we have minus Q by 50 plus 200 multiplied by Q minus 20Q. If we simplify this, we get minus Q square by 50 plus 200Q minus 20Q. So profit function is nothing but minus Q square by 50 plus 180Q. Now we will differentiate the profit function dPr by dQ with respect to Q and equate it to 0, and we will find the Q such that dPr by dQ is 0, where the maximum will lie. So dPr by dQ is nothing but minus 2Q divided by 50 plus 180 and equating it to 0. So solving for Q, we get 2Q divided by 50 equals to 180, which is nothing but Q equals 18 multiplied by 25. Therefore, Q is given as 4,500. How do we know we have the maxima over here? If we differentiate dPr by dQ again, so we get d2Pr by dQ square, which is minus 2 by 50 plus 0, and which is negative, and the double derivative is negative, hence we have the maxima at Q equals to 4,500. So the company should sell 4,500 copies to maximize its profit. Thank you.